Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Jason Duffney here at Earthworks, and we've got another really cool project we're gonna show you guys. So this one used to be on Pawn Stars. Anybody out there see the old Pawn Stars show? So this is a 10-year-old project that we did in coordination with the Aquascape team back in the day. An amazing project. I still can't believe we got this done in 5 days. So a lot has happened though in 10 years, and so that's what we're gonna show you guys today. So we had quite a few storms that happened out here for this homeowner down in St. Augustine, Florida. And those storms came through and wiped out a lot of trees. So this entire climate has changed back here. It used to be a lot more wooded, and so now it's time to update it, right? So all the woods have come down, the trees have come down, and it's time to kind of get a little refresh. So we're doing quite a bit on this one, but I'm gonna start with the basics. So we're starting our renovation on this project with caring for the fish first. So the crew's out here, they're gonna be getting the pond drained into tubs, fish go into the tubs, protect those guys, because we're gonna be out here for a couple weeks working on this. And after that, we're gonna go ahead and start finishing. As you can see in the background, they're taking down the bird of paradise. This thing has kind of gotten overgrown in this space and cutting off access. So you'll see at the end, we got the before pictures, end pictures, where you're gonna see that entire waterfall. It's gotten to a point where you can't see anymore. So that's gonna be fun to see all that space, just getting it cleaned up. But some of the bigger things we're gonna do on this project are gonna be updating the old log. So this log is one of my absolute favorite pieces we installed years ago, but it's settled, and the homeowner really just wants to kind of get a different, fresh look. And we're thinking that if we update this entire patio, we can get our patio a little closer to the pond, update the pond where we get a little depth there, take the log out, and it kind of changes this entire space. Since everything nature-wise has changed, we're like, let's make it a more intentional, even more intentional space out here. So this is all coming out, new patio, new fire pit, renovating the log, and then lastly, we're gonna be redoing this entire waterfall. So where I'm standing here, this waterfall, he wants it to be a little bit more wow to it. So we've got a couple things. So where you're standing as the audience is the patio. I'm gonna be building a taller and longer stream waterfall starting back here. So this thing's gonna be dropping down, turning, and integrating back in. And then we're gonna go ahead, and to get that to happen, we're actually gonna be taking away the prototype bowl. So this is a bowl we did Brian Helfrich. This is, I think, his brainchild. And I do believe this was the first bowl he installed as like a test trial. These are used everywhere now, but we're gonna get rid of this to kind of take some of that water, because our reservoir has already been designed with how many gallons we can do. Without tearing this entire thing apart to put another volt in, we got to work with the gallons per hour we have. So this coming out allows us to have a little bit more water there. And so this is going to get renovated. Plus, the coolest addition, which we're not doing, is they're putting in a hot sauna. So they're going to have this hot sauna they're going to sit in that's have a glass front on it. So that's one of the major reasons they're doing this. They're going to be tortured inside this every morning when they're sitting here. So why not sit here and look out at beauty? So it's going to give it a fresh look, and I hope you guys enjoy it. And I will catch you towards the end when we're getting this thing wrapped up. All right guys, it's only been a few days, but a lot has happened. I don't know if you can tell from behind me, but what used to be the last sick hickory that was in this little section of hickories is now gone, amongst a bunch of the jungle and vine. So the tree company surprised us and came in, took a lot of stuff out, which opened the space up even more. So I hope you guys can see, like what I was talking about in the beginning, that things have changed out here, and now this environment's changed, the sun and so on and so forth. So all the landscaping's been tore out / transplanted for now. We've come in and we've got most of the pond cleaned out. Pond's taking a little longer than we thought it would. We also are gonna be doing the resealing on the biofalls. So we got a 10-year-old pond, and we've got some videos if you guys wanna see that on how those work, but had a little opportunity there to do a little fixing, a couple repairs, and then right over to what matters the most, which you guys are gonna wanna see, are all the new things. So we're right in the middle of building the new waterfall. So if you guys remember, it was just a waterfall that kind of was here, stubbed down. We wanted to kind of bring it back a little further, turn it. You'll see this when it turns on and how it presents to the people that are here. So now we have an extra waterfall back here that's facing the homeowners. And then lastly, you can't even tell anymore. I don't know if you guys remember there was a patio here. Well, it's still here. It's just covered up. Tree guys, us making a mess, everything. So this will be next week's project, the actual flagstone patio we're gonna install, but I think we're making pretty good progress, and I hope next time you guys see us, we'll have a lot of hardscapes in, maybe some landscape. So I'll see you guys next.